flight in the night took out from Goa airport around 11:30 or so, and after going 74 nautical miles, pilot detected there is a problem with the engine. So he turned back and landed safely at Goa airport, and the passengers were sent by the another flight. The incident, first of all, it is not a Neo engine; it is a different engine. And this engine probably developed some snag, some problem in it, and they landed back safely. The most important thing to remember is that what I am hearing from all the sources is that there was a panic. Yes, panic is bound to happen with the passengers who are traveling in there. But basically all these aircrafts are designed in such a way that they can fly back to the destination or divert to a new station with the single engine also.
इंडिगो फ्लायट एअरलायन्सान सकाळी मिडियाक निवेदन जाहीर केला ते प्रमाण इंडिगो फ्लायट 6E336 गोंयच्यान दिल्ली वताली. इंजिनान कांय तंत्रीक बिगाड जाल्ल्यान फ्लायट परत गोंयानूच लँड करची पडली. पॅसेंजराक दुसऱ्या फ्लायटीन दिल्ली धाडल्यात. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.